Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Supermicrocomputer as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.83. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 1.81% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. This results in an average loss of 0.45% each day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned in the middle of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, suggesting a potential for further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 3.12% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 24.53% to 16.06% in a longer-term view. Our 12-month analysis shows a projected change of negative 48.21%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 40.14% over the coming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price ranging from $0 to $24.66. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Evaluation of Supermicrocomputer Stock Downgraded After the Last Trading Session. The Supermicrocomputer stock price gained 2.95% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025. The price rose from $40.02 to $41.20. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.38%, with a day low at $39.51 and a day high of $41.24. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 10.73% over this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.06 billion. It's important to note that falling volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $101.40, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price stands 59.37%, or $60.20, below the 52-week high, and 66.48%, or $81.70, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price hit $122.90. Supermicrocomputer, trading under the symbol SMCI, is gaining traction in the tech sector, particularly with the recent positive sentiment surrounding NVIDIA's Blackwell GPUs. Analysts have noted that, despite the overall challenges in the sector due to trade tariffs and economic uncertainties, SMCI is uniquely positioned as a winner. The company is considered undervalued, as the market still reflects a conservative growth outlook, despite its strong financial performance and rising demand for AI servers. Through strategic partnerships with tech giants NVIDIA and AMD, along with a significant deal worth $20 billion with Datavolt, Supermicro is reinforcing its leading market presence. Recent earnings reports, especially from Dell, bolster confidence in the sustainability of AI-related growth, which could benefit SMCI. Market optimism is clear, with analysts maintaining buy ratings, anticipating a positive turnaround as earnings per share growth comes to fruition in the coming years. While SMCI shares remain down significantly from their all-time highs, recent price movements indicate a rebound, showcasing a notable increase of 50% in the past month. This momentum may attract both institutional and retail investors seeking value in the AI sector, positively influencing the stock's short-term price trajectory. In the long run, as the AI market continues to expand, Supermicro's strategic positioning could yield substantial rewards, establishing it as a significant player in the tech landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, KGI Securities provided SMCI with a neutral rating and also an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Citigroup assigned a neutral rating to SMCI with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Barclays rated SMCI as equal weight and suggested a hold action. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, Goldman Sachs also rated SMCI as neutral and recommended a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to the stock of Supermicro Computer. They view the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given this stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. The Supermicro Computer stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these indicators, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected from the levels at $41.04 and $36.73. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Interestingly, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This divergence between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock deserves close monitoring. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and thus far, the stock has fallen by 10.73%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 14 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 9 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer finds support from accumulated volume at $40.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.73 between its high and low, which is a change of 4.38%. During the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 5.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing track records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $0.44. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro Computer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro Computer is at $42.47. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicro Computer encounters its first support level at $40.84. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicro Computer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, David E. Wigand conducted an insider sale of 67,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Wally Liao Yixian conducted an insider sale of 177,600 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Charles Liang conducted an insider sale of 184,694 shares of common stock. On the same day, Charles Liang conducted an additional insider sale of 15,306 shares of common stock. Also, on the 14th of May, 2025, Sarah Lu Liang Chu conducted an insider sale of 184,694 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 76.557. Overall, insiders purchased 8,134,875 shares and sold 979,757 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $39.06, which represents a decrease of 5.2%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, leading to substantial risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 10 days ago. Is Supermicro Computer stock a good buy? Supermicro Computer displays several positive indicators. However, these signals alone do not justify a buy recommendation. At this time, it is more appropriate to consider this stock as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last review. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, we anticipate that Supermicro Computer will open lower by 550 cents, starting at $40.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.